Hi, I'm Patrizia,
And I'm Nathan.
and we're Kitchen Mart customers. We had Kitchen Mart come in and replace all our cabinets. We did a total kitchen remodel.
When we first moved in '95, we did it ourselves kind of deal, right? And we made our own decisions, and we're not designers. We had checked a couple places. I just wasn't that enthused. And then we came over here, we looked around. Your service help while we were here looking at stuff was amazing, and I was sold.
Yeah, the people were really friendly and walked us through the process. They came when they said they were gonna come, and they left when they said they were gonna leave, and no surprises.
They're always professional, always on time, and they did a fabulous job.
I'm really, really happy. It makes me smile when I go into the kitchen as opposed to the way it looked.
It makes the house look totally different. It's just that big of a contrast from what it was to what it is.
For somebody like us who've always done things on our own, I would never go back. I would absolutely recommend Kitchen Mart to friends, family, and everybody who would ask me. Yes, because we've never had such an easy experience. No, don't do it yourself. Call the
No.
professionals.
And your people are that.